All right, so we are onto the barn now. We've already been cleaning the inside of it out, trying to get it emptied. But before I get it all fixed up and before I get too crazy, because we've already ripped the biggest pine down. There's 4 pines and 2 giant cherries. These giant cherries are gonna be started tomorrow. And then I think that was a mulberry here on the end, just a small mulberry, but we've already got the biggest pine out of the way. Unfortunately, I got a little carried away today and forgot that I would like to film this stuff. So let's get you guys set up, watch me pull this mulberry, and then I'll get working on this next big pine. And then hopefully we can clean the rest of this junk up at least tonight before the sun goes down. And that's probably as far as we'll get. So that wasn't good. I'm not sure what it was. Probably that branch right there. You can hear the hissing. I thought I blew a hydraulic line. But what actually happened was I broke my valve stem cap, I guess. Let's see what the other one looks like on the top. Huh. Got like a cap on it. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's broken. So, I don't know what to do about that. We might be a little bit screwed right now. Way she goes, you break stuff when you're being hard on it, apparently. Which, I didn't see that one coming, I'll tell you that much. Anyways. See if I can continue. All right, that gets everything except the toilet back here. So yeah, anyways, anyone who didn't catch that, sorry, I realized the tractor was running. You might not have been able to hear me. I'm not sure, I'm not watching the footage right now. So got a flat tire, and then I realized that I did something to the tire, and I actually thought I put a hole in the tire. But what happened, I drove around, and where is it? Oh, it's right here. I don't know if you can see it. So I hit that with a stick, I guess. I didn't see it happen, but I saw a stick under there and something broke it. So basically, that's supposed to have a little top on there, and it doesn't now. We are about to head to some parts stores, see if we can't locate one of these valve cores, screw on there and get that tire pumped back up so we can get back to work. All right, so I'm pretty sure we were successful, fairly generic. So the extension cord is getting out there just fine, but on this old pancake compressor, I had been having some trouble with it. And sure enough, these have pulled away. Let me get this attached, see if we can get this to fire up. Alrighty, got everything reattached. All right, so I was able to get that aired back up, no problem. So get the other camera set up out here and back to work. right in the nuts.
She gets dropped there.
Right in the nuts. She like knocks you good.
Drop.
Kangaroo punch.
Yup.
Alright, it's getting serious now. We got the dually hooked up. We're taking a big one now. So let's get the cameras rolling enough so that we can catch all of this, hopefully. Well, we forgot to film, missed the most sketchy part. There she goes. Perfect. Perfect, dude. Dropped her exactly where we wanted. Look at this beat to the saw. That's a saw. Yeah. Go. Success. So as you saw, the boys were out here yesterday with me. Shout out to Brian, Carl. Those are my boys, and dang, my buddy Brian, he really has some sweet equipment. Okay, now that the barn's all safe with all the trees down around it, we can go ahead and try and fix up the barn. So we'll stay tuned for the next one. We'll be tearing some stuff apart in the barn, tearing the front off of it, getting some concrete poured in there and the driveway, and yeah, more shenanigans, so stay tuned.